Now, YNW Melly bond hearing was denied since last Friday. And see, Melly thought, Friday that, judge, will have a ruling on his bond hearing. But the bond hearing was denied last Friday. You guys, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, share this video. All right, I'm gonna have to dive into this. Now, the state can prove beyond a reasonable doubt that they have enough evidence for a conviction. Now, when Melly appears to court, he didn't really look like, the Melly that we all, know. Instead, he looked at like Melvin. I got murder on my mind. I got murder on my mind. I got murder on my mind. Murder on my mind. It's funny how the justice system can, play, games with the defendant. Now, they knew that Melly wasn't getting out. And they knew that his bond hearing was denied since last Friday. So why would he goes, for another bond hearing? It was bogus, even though they postponed it, but they knew that they denied his bond hearing. At his previous trial, they already had 11-1 vote. And that one jury convinced two other juries, and we seen that there was a 9-3, which Nelly had a hung jury. Now, Nelly co-defendant Bowen, he was charged with the accessory to murder. He didn't have the charges, with Melly have. Melly is charged with a double murder, and if he's found, convicted, he can be facing the death penalty. Now, the prosecution in this case, they're looking for, a star witness. And they see that Melly's ex-girlfriend had a verbal conversation. She was the last person to talk with Melly. So if they can, convince, Melly's ex-girlfriend to take the witness stand, I want to say Nelly is done. And I'm thinking that she will probably, subpoena in, witness. And see, the only thing that Nelly has is a new attorney. And, I want to say this to you, fam. Nelly's attorney Howard did a good job. I don't think really he, represent Nelly the way that, Nelly want him to represent him. And the other attorney almost, threw Melly under the bus. Melly was almost found guilty. Matter of fact, he was already found guilty with the 11-1 vote. So you guys, make sure you guys comment below. What's y'all take? You know, I like to hear everybody's take. So, you think will Melly get found not guilty? Will he get another hung jury? Will he get found guilty? I think the man is guilty. I think that they're just waiting, you know what I mean, to get, 12 new juries. And I just think that they just waiting to see what's going to happen with his co-defendant. But, I think that they know that this man's guilty. So you guys, make sure you guys share this video, subscribe to this channel. This is AKA Cali, Voice of the Streets. I'm out.